Okay, good day everyone. I am Jonathan Maglasang from Cebu Technological University. Today I would like to present our project entitled Design and Development of Green Marine Autonomous Surface Ship Prototype. Now, this project actually is part of the DUST NICER program, which is the Center for Modernized Marine Transport System, or CMMTS. This component project is actually it's about developing our first smart, intelligent, autonomous ship that can perform missions from one point to another autonomously, meaning it can navigate itself without the presence of crew inside the boat, and it can avoid obstacles, avoid collisions with other boats. Okay, so why we are doing this is actually there is because of this plan by Marina to really modernize our maritime transport system. Now, according to their Maritime Industry Development Plan, 2019 to 2028, there is a need to modernize the maritime industry. Now, we have uh, witnessed a lot of accidents, and we have seen our ships or boats are getting old, and not only in terms of design but also in the materials and of course the technology being used. Now, we already are in the fifth industrial revolution. Uh, we just have the fourth industrial revolution, and now we are in the fifth industrial revolution. Now, this is about man-machine complementation. So this is not about um, man versus machine, but this is man or machine helping man, okay, or man utilizing machine. So this is for enhanced safety, competitiveness, and of course the attainment of the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Now, the International Maritime Organization also highly recommended, especially those countries that are archipelagic like the Philippines. We have a lot of bodies of water that we really have to invest in maritime autonomous surface ship because this is the future. Now, many countries are really developing their own maritime autonomous surface ship. And I think since we are an archipelagic country and we have a lot of islands and we are very dependent on boats, so I think we should somehow uh, take this into heart to really develop our own maritime autonomous services, and that is what this project is all about. Now, this is our current scenario. We have a lot of problems, safety, and of course, technology being used, and we really have to do something about this. Now, we need to we need to adapt technologies brought about by this Industry 5.0, Industry 4.0, and we need to adapt and apply this to our current situation so that when we can somehow transform this current scenario, this we have a lot of problems, to something like this. Now, this looks a bit futuristic, but this is actually what is happening now, especially in European countries now. They already have their own maritime autonomous surface ship. Okay, Japan also is developing their own, at a very fast pace. Korea also, and China, and I think as because we are actually dependent on our boats, on our ships in transporting goods and people from one island to another. We have 7,000 plus islands. Okay, so this kind of ship actually communicates, with the other ships, ground stations, and communication infrastructures in our oceans, in our seas, okay, and even in our satellites. And we really need to do this because this is a way of really bringing the Philippines um, to greater meaning level now. So if we can do this, we can attain these sustainable development goals. Can help now, especially um, pertaining to the considering the effects of the climate change, now, which is actually very real. Now, this is now the future of our modernized PH maritime industry, that is towards blue economy. Now, blue economy is something like a responsible, use of marine resources. So as you can see that we have this clean, modern, smart ship with this clean environment. Now, with this utilization of renewable energy sources, we have responsible people, and yeah, we have this is a very good uh, economy. Now, notice that especially in regions 6, 7, 8, we have a lot of small island communities now, or like it's like a yeah, small island development state. Uh, and this is a very good opportunity. This project is together with the other projects in this program is a very good opportunity to bring this economy towards this blue economy. Then we can be more uh, meaning focused and responsible for the things around us, and by the appropriate utilization of the available technologies and our resources like renewable energy sources or natural resources. Now, what is a MAS? Okay, so maritime or autonomous surface ship. So this is actually an autonomous marine ship or boat, and it provides intelligent transport solutions to our archipelagic country. And there are a lot of designs, there are a lot of concepts for this uh, kind of vehicle, and we are actually trying in this project, we will try to utilize a trimaran hull. Okay, so because it's quite stable, especially in rough seas. So this is also in partnership with the Philippine Navy. So we have to also consider the different applications of this mass prototype. Okay, so now, developing this mass prototype actually requires systems engineering, because uh, mass is composed of a lot of complex systems. So we have here our propulsion and power system. We have ground station, communication system, satellite, other ships, and ground station. Then we have data collection system also, and also this guidance, navigation, and control. And aside from designing the appropriate HUD for this mass prototype. Now also, the when we have the system, we have to put intelligence to the system. So let's say, how can we control this system, and let's say from position A to position B, how this mass prototype can navigate and avoid these obstacles along the way. So this is now the intelligent mass motion guidance, navigation, and control portion, which is also very challenging project. So thank you very much for your kind attention. Good day.